Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. Hi everyone. Hi, how are you guys doing? Yes. Okay guys, so this video is I am going to trial this. Look at this, a lot of clothes from Shein. Did you guys hear about Shein? Please comment below if you guys know about Shein. And I am so obsessed to all dresses that they have. Oh my god, yeah, you guys need to check it. So look at all this stuff. I am going to try all this stuff and show you guys how it looks on me. Yes. So look at all this item. I don't remember how many item is this. I think 10. Let me guess. Yes. I think they are all 10 item in this bag. So what we're waiting for, let's start it. Yes. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay guys, let's just open this. I am just so excited to see all this clothes. There you go. I got all the receipt. So I'm going to put all the link down the description if you guys want to check it out. Yes. Hey. I'm just going to try all these clothes that I got from Shein, so please comment below which outfit you like the most and what do you think about this summer clothes. Okay, so let's get this started. Let's go. Okay guys, I'm gonna start with my Camis top and my Floral skirt, and this two looks matched together, and the top is only $5 and the skirt is only $7. Oh my god. It looks so good and it feels comfortable and I really like it. You guys need to check this out. And I'm wearing my sandals. And next, of course, I'm wearing the same top and I'm matching it with my mom jeans. I got this from Target, and I got scarf and I got this from Bros, and it looks so cute. Yes, I really like it. Alright then, let's move on to this top. This one is really cute and it looks sexy. There we go. Here you go guys. This one is only $7 and it's really cute. It looks comfortable. If you guys want to show your belly, your beautiful belly, sexy belly, here you go. You guys need to check this out. And if you guys want to go to the beach, you can wear this, and it have a bow on the front. I really like it. It's very cute, and I'm matching with my black shorts. Yes. And next, let's move on to this Camis top. This one is really low cut and it's yellow. Oh my god, look at this one. This one is really sexy, and then if I am not wearing swimsuit underneath, you guys gonna see my boobs. Sorry. Yes, this one is, I accidentally get small, but I'm extra small. That's why it looks big right now. I probably gonna send this back, but I really like the style. You know, I can wear this in the beach or something like that. But yeah, I think I need to send this back. But I really like it. It's cute. It goes to my skin. Oh my god. Alright, let's move on to the next one. Alright. Here you go. This one is $13. And I like the style, but it's kind of big on me. I already ordered extra small, but it's still big. But look this. This one is falling. My shoulder is not big enough for this top joke. But it's really cute. I like the style. Yes, look at this one. Yep. But the size is so big. Huh? Oh, oh, it's too big, yes. But this one is $30. But if you like the style, you guys can check it out. And this one is, yes, it's $12. I really like the style and the color. It goes to my skin. Yes, girl. But look at that butt. Yes, it's showing too much, but it's too short. Do you think so, guys? But I really like the style. I really like the color. I really like the tie on the top. Oh, flipping my hair. Yes. Go, girl. Yes, I like this. It's summer. I like the dress. This is a jumper. Yes, jumper, romper. Yes, a romper. Let's move on to this one. This one is also a romper. Here you go. Let's look at this. Ooh, here you go. I really like this dress. It's really simple. Yes, and it's really comfortable. It's not really showing too much. Not too much cleavage, not too much butt. But yes, I really like this one. It's really comfortable using, wearing this. But not showing too much boo. Not showing too much butt. But yes, I love it. And flip that hair, girl. And this one is $13. And oh my god, so next one, this is the last one. Look at this one. Oh my god. I really like this one. Guess what? How much is this swimsuit? This swimsuit, it's only $10. $10, guys. Yes, and I really like it. I like the style. Ooh, yes. I like the color. I think it goes to my skin as well. Like I'm doing a fashion show right now. Fashion show. Yeah. I really like it. It's just showing a little of my butt, but I can handle it. Yes. It's not showing too much boobs. Miss Philippines. Okay guys, so I just finished trying all these coats. Please comment below which outfit you like. I have an Instagram. Please follow me over here. Stay tuned to see more of my videos. Yes, thank you guys for watching. That's it for today. I love you all. Bye.